What's up, guys? It's Frank and this is Greybird Garage. So behind me I got VENOM. VENOM is a 2015 JKU owned by my buddy Brian. Now while Brian knows how to clean cars very well, he doesn't really know very much when it comes to modifying them. Now VENOM is very nicely built. It's a JKU. It already has a nice lift on it, nice wheels and tires, decent bumper package, but he was looking for something a little different. He wanted more lighting done to the vehicle. So I got a set of LED headlights going in, I got a set of rock lights, and I have a power control unit by Apollointech going in today. So here we go, we're gonna get at it, and yeah, let's get started. All right, so switch unit does mount between the ECU and the washer reservoir. So I've already taken these bolts out, loosened up the bottom bolt. There's a ground wire that has to be relocated from over here to underneath. Did that already. Now we're just going to go ahead and get that switch unit on right here. Alright, so we got our wires under the hood run. Our positive and negative all hooked up to the battery. Everything's running alongside the firewall, nice and neat, tucked away. Our next wire we have to run has to go inside the Jeep, and we have to go through the firewall. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little spot right down over here. And on this Jeep I can run wires right through that spot right there, and then it'll come out underneath the dashboard, and then we run this up to the actual switches themselves. Alright, so our wires run all the way up. Put the trim pieces back on. Everything looks pretty good so far. Coming across to the middle, you can see where the plug comes out. Footman loop where it's going to actually mount the switch unit, and everything's run all nice. So next step, we're going to mount the switch unit, plug it in, make sure it works. So, part one of Brian's upgrades is done. Here's the switch unit that we just installed. It's all mounted. On-off button by touch. I haven't put any switch faces on there yet, but you can see how it works. It's direct wired to the battery. So, there we go. Nice blue LEDs to match Brian's accent of blue on black. So, I'll show you what's under the hood. Under the hood now, we have the actual power unit itself for the 6 switches that are up on the dashboard. They have 30 amp fuses and your relays are already installed. So anything that you want to hook up to this, whether it's a air compressor, halo lights, light bars, anything, as long as it falls within the specs of 30 amp fuse, you can go ahead and wire that up and then control it from the switches already installed inside the cab. So next we have, for Brian's upgrades, he wanted a set of headlights done, but he didn't want just regular headlights, he wanted the halo headlights. So we got those coming on, but grill's got to come off first.